Hi, so here is a quick tutorial on how to set up a form notification on your HighLevel account. So earlier what we used to do is that we used to set up an internal notification in a workflow, and when the form is submitted, this internal notification would trigger and then it would send the notifications. Now you no longer need that. Only thing you need is to go into one of the forms that you have. For example, I'm using this form here, and once you click on the form, it goes into the form, and then we can start editing how the form however you need. You can add more fields from here. Once everything is done, you click on this bell icon here, show notification settings. So when you click that, you can see there is a new tab here. You have to toggle this on, saying email notification. When you toggle this on, you would see a subject line, email to, and a sender name. Subject line would be the subject line of the email that you get when someone fills out this form. So you can customize it, form entry, something like that, so that it's easier for you to understand what it is straight away. And email to address. So here you have to type in the email address. So only thing as of now, when you click on this icon, you can see that custom fields and custom values are not supported for this field as of now. Probably that will change in the future. So for now, you have to type in the actual email address, and then you can type in the sender name. If you leave it blank, it takes the sub account name or your business name in there. So if you want to have a certain name appear here, you need to type it however you want and click save. And when someone fills out this form, you will automatically get an email notification. Don't forget to save here as well. And this is the same for surveys as well. We will go to a survey quickly and see how that works. So this is a survey. You go to sites and click on surveys, and you go inside a survey, and inside the survey as well, you would see the notification bell icon, and when you click on that, you will be able to send notification. So here is the notification. So you click on this, and here you have the subject already pre-filled. If you want to change it, you can change it, and then type out the email address that you want the notification sent to, and update your name if you don't want your sub account name showing on the emails, and you're all set. So that's all it takes. No more creating internal notifications and workflows. It's very easy. And if you want to see how it works, we are going to look into filling out this form. So everything is set, and now we can go ahead and do a sample test. So the heading is here, the subject line is here, my email is here, my name is here, and now we are going to preview this form and fill out this form. Okay, I want different email there, field 1 value, field 2 value, so it's easy for us to see the inputs are correct. And I'll submit. Now we will wait. Thank you for taking time to complete this form. Now we will see if I have any email in my inbox. You can see this is the email I received. The subject line is custom chatbot contact form entry, and then you can see all the fields are already pre-filled in a nice table form, and it's as easy as that. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much. Bye.